Good morning, everybody. Hello, how are we? It's a Sunday today, and I have decided I'm gonna vlog. I love vlogging. Bloody hell, my hair. I just had the shower. It's what's the time? It's 9:46. I'm awake for an hour, and you know what? It's a lovely, lovely day out there. We're gonna go for a little walk today. So, up the hills. So I'm gonna take you with me, and I'm gonna do a day in life with me today. I love vlogging. I have a couple of vlogs on my channel already, and I love it. And I think if you guys like it, I might do that over weekends, so it could be extra something, because I think in vlogs you can do a bit more than in actually normal sit down videos and talk about things a little bit more. So yeah, let's start with my breakfast. I got breakfast in bed this morning. It's granola, Lizzie's granola, with blueberries, banana, yogurt, Alpro yogurt that has the least sugars in it, and raspberries. And I love this breakfast. Like, we have it quite a bit. It's so tasty, delicious, and healthy, because I'm trying to lose some weight. As you can see, my chin, my neck, I hate it. I'm small. I'm 5'1.5", and I cannot have too much weight because I look like Oompa Loompa, whatever, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast, get ready, charge my camera because it's not fully charged yet, and I'll take you on adventures with me. Okay, so I look a little bit more presentable now. I got dressed, dried my hair, didn't straighten it, but do you know what? I don't care, because we're going for a walk. I just want to show you what I'm wearing right now. So I'm wearing my Alice top. It's really nice for workouts, and these are from Lidl's, these leggings. Are they so good? I need to clean this mirror, honestly. Let's close this. So yeah, so this is my kind of workout gear. I love it. It's so comfortable. Wearing a nice sockies, like nice comfortable socks. As we are going for a walk, and it's gonna be a lot of walking, and we've done yesterday a lot of walking, and I am not ready for today though. Really am not. So come on, let's go. I got my contacts in, had a breakfast. It was amazing, actually. It was so amazing. I love this breakfast. Okay, let's go. Just walking through the woods, but it's so beautiful today. Amazing. Oh, so pretty. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. I love it. Don't know if this hat actually suit me with my hair, but you know what, I don't care. I really don't. I'm just enjoying to be out, and it's so warm outside. You have no idea. I literally am wearing just this. I have my coat already around my waist. Look at this bloody tree. Look, where is it? Yeah, behind me. Look at that. Wow. There's a lot of old trees everywhere. It's like, it's lovely wooded area, I have to say. And in the spring, the whole woods is covered in bluebells. Definitely gonna have to see this year, because last year we missed it. So we were working, and you know. So yeah, I'm gonna show you up the top when we get there. But yeah, just gonna enjoy my hike. I'm a bit out of breath because I'm so tired from yesterday's walk. Made it to the top. I'm gonna show you how beautiful everything is. It's just wow. Look at that view behind me. I don't know if you can see it, but oh my god, it's incredible. You guys, look. I don't know if you can see anything, but the sun's shining very strong today. But oh, look at this. The views are so stunning. Oh, and the air, as you cannot get a fresher air anywhere else than here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit misty, but it's not even one cloud in the sky, literally. Oh my god. So we're gonna go for a little more walk, and I'll catch up with you in the... to home. Yes. Okay. Oh, I'm so tired right now. We did 2 loops, and it was something. It was definitely something. Now we're just gonna put some lovely roast because it's Sunday. Sunday roast is a must in a Vita Blake. Yeah. So we're gonna put. I am cooking, obviously. Have some lovely roast beef. Well, it's not roasted yet. Just put some salt, pepper, and some lovely Italian seasoning. I'm gonna do this with a hand. Some veggies, have some potatoes. Ooh, it's gonna be so much lovely. So lovely. I like to season my meat really well. This way. So yeah. I'm gonna do this, gonna make some lovely roast, and I'm gonna see you in a little bit because I'm so tired. I'm gonna show you my roast, gonna show you everything what I've done. I'm so tired though. You guys, okay, so we're doing the vegetables, and I'm gonna show you something that is the funniest thing ever. Like, so we're doing the carrots, yeah. I'm actually very cold. I have a headache. I feel like I'm getting ill or something. I don't know why, but this cheers me up. So the carrots. This is one. Looks a little bit like a woman's vibrator. I swear to God, my boyfriend, he just literally is like, look at this carrot. So I looked at this carrot. I was like, okay, that's funny. Then he takes out this carrot. Jesus. Is that a pair? Like girl and a boy? Not even I don't know, but what is I'm sorry, but this is so funny, I can't. It's literally ridiculous. It's probably not as funny as it is, but it made me funny. So yeah, so carry on cooking. Well, I'm upstairs chilling actually because I have a raging headache. And I feel very tired. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you for this. It's a little bit late now. We had our dinner. And I have decided I still have a raging headache. I took my contacts out because maybe they gave me a headache, but I don't know, I just took a couple paracetamols. That doesn't matter. What I've done, because I always wanted to do and try to do a macaroons. So I've been busy. I'm gonna show you. Don't judge me. They're not perfect, but here they are. This is one batch. They're just standing there to form the foam. And this is another batch. I know they're not looking tasty right now. I'm not sure. I've never done that before. But, do you know what? I don't care. I tried. I'm gonna try and I'm gonna see how it's gonna go. And don't mind the mess behind me because we had a dinner and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a little bit. Sit down, watch a TV. Oh, blimey. There's some kind of ski jumping stuff going on the TV. My boyfriend's watching. So yeah, I'm gonna pop them in, make some cream with them, and yes, I'm gonna show you the final result. Right, you guys, it's the moment of truth with macaroons. Oh, I think I burned them. Yeah, I think I burned them. Yeah. Oh dear. I burned them. Don't know why though. Yeah, they are. They don't look the same as they looked before. I burned them. Oh. Oh. Oh, never mind. No. Good morning, guys. Hi. How are we? It's Monday now. It's Monday morning. I have not finished yesterday's vlog. Because the last thing you saw was me taking my failed macaroons out. And then because I had such a insane headache, I went to sleep about, what was it, 6 o'clock? And I slept till about 8:30. And then I came downstairs, had a sandwich, and I chilled for an hour and went back to bed because the headache was still raging. Felt very, very, very tired, and yeah, just couldn't function properly. So yeah, so I haven't filmed anything since then, so I just wanted to tell you this now. It's Monday morning. I am working already, so I'm gonna try to upload this video soon. I hope. I'm gonna film over my lunch break another one. I hope you're gonna have a lovely week. I'm wishing you a lovely week. The weather is completely drastically 100% different from yesterday. It's very cloudy, it's very moody. Ugh, don't like it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. This is my first vlog back. So I'm thinking to doing more vlogs over weekends, if you like it. If you don't, tell me, please. And I'm gonna see you next time. Have a lovely week. Bye.